What's going on, guys? I just wanted to do a quick video on how to remove taillights from a 2009 and up TSX. I haven't really seen videos on this car for taillight removal, so let me just explain to you how you got to take those out. So yeah, the bumper does have to come off. It's pretty easy to take it off though. It's just a 10mm bolt right here on each side, and then you'll have screws going down on the bottom, and just gotta take those off with a Phillips head, and on the side as well, and that's pretty much it. And just pop it out, and then once you get the bumper off, you'll see that the tail light has a Phillips screw right there, so you gotta take that off. Mine's pretty rusty, so I hope it's not that complicated. And then on the inside, just gotta pop these. There you go, just pop it out from right here. And then you'll have, I think those are 8mm. So you'll have 4 of them. One right here, one right here, one over there, and then one right here. You gotta pop this little wire out, take it off, and then yeah, you just pull it out. And I'll show you once it's done. Alright, so unplug this wire. That one. That just moves out of the way right there. And you got the last bolt. Alright guys, wait. I was wrong. You actually have to take off the 10mm bolt right here, not the Phillips head. This has to come out in one piece with the little bracket. So let me do that. And this whole assembly's just popped out. That's gonna do it.